Have you ever wondered how you could turn a little bit of money into a lot of money within a couple years or within even a couple months? That's exactly what had happened with us when I started this brand, Lost Hearts. I started it with $800, and 3 years later, we made $100,000 over that. We also got one of these nice plaques. And honestly, today I'm going to be telling you how I did this within 2 years. Now, we also have done this multiple times. We made hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I give thanks to the Lord God. Now, I started this brand when I was 16. I'm 20 years old now. When I first started this brand, it was very hard because I was trying to figure it out all by myself. And I realized that I don't know it all. But then I did realize that as long as you just keep on going, it'll be all right. So how I did it. Now, number one, step one, find a banger product. This, when I came out with, I made this in my high school library. I didn't have a school computer. I would literally stay after school every single day in my high school and literally just cook after school, go to the library, go on Illustrator and play around. Found me a nice font, started to play around with it. Then I realized, okay, I could put this on Illustrator. Came up with this. My inspiration was Nike. They sell just a check mark. I was like, okay, I realized that simple things sell. I like simple logos. So came up with this. And this was very important because you want to come up with a simple logo. Simple sells, complex fails. Simple sells, complex fails. Simple sells, complex fails. And once you have this, you're just going to flood it. They won't get tired of this if this is the only thing you're selling. This is the only option. We don't have anything else. You're buying this. I want you to buy this, so you're going to buy it because this is all I have. And when I tell you the story behind my brand, you're going to buy it, all right? Step two, you need to figure out how you're going to get sales every single day. This is very important. How are you going to get sales every single day? And there's two ways you could do that. It's either going to be online or in person or wholesale. These are like the main ways, and that's still in person or online. So you're going to have to figure out, there's really only two ways to make this happen. You're either going to do it in person or online. Now, the strategy that I did was in person and online. I really like in person because I can meet my customer, okay? We really dominate on the in-person game because we developed a system called the Golden Circle where we sell them the why, the what, and then the how instead of the what, how, why. We tell them the meaning behind our brand first, what the product is, and then how they can support is by buying it for however much you're selling it for. That's how we sell. So if you want to be running it up in person, which I highly recommend because it's one of the easiest ways to start making money immediately because it doesn't cost anything. All you need is the product. All right? Figure out how you're going to get sales every single day. And you also need to figure out, are you going to sell this product in hand or are you going to focus online? And once you make that decision, focus on that and get product in hand. If you don't have money, sell it online, sell mock-ups. If you do have some money, get the product in hand because you're going to be able to sell it so much quicker to friends, family. Because honestly, if you have a simple black and white hoodie, someone's going to buy it, period. If you have it in your hand, they'll buy it. Just tell them, hey man, I started this brand because, I really want to get people, back outside. I really want to get people back outside. Let me actually show you guys how I sell them. So look, how you guys doing? My name is Malik, and the meaning behind Lost Hearts is that our generation is so caught up on our phone that we never take the time to appreciate the things that are in front of us. We call it life. So anything that you love to do outside, like camping, hiking, even just going on a nice walk, that's what Lost Hearts is all about. You like that? I agree, me too. Let me show you what I got real quick. So I got this hoodie, it says Lost Hearts on the front. On the back, it says look up, you're here, because we're always looking down on our phone. And today we can get you this hoodie for only $50. Would you like to pay today, cash or card? You should just do that every single time. You spam that for the next 10 years and you'll be okay. All right, that's literally it. That's literally it. That's all you do. You get told no, cool, next person. All right. Now, it's really not cool, next person, because then you have to persist in the deal, because we don't give up on the first no. But that is a whole nother video that I will do at a different time. If you guys are liking this so far, what I need you to do is like, comment, subscribe. And if you're watching right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give something away for free once you watch all the way to the end. But you have to watch to the end. And I'm giving away something for free. But this is for the people who watch towards the end. All right, now, secondly, you're going to need to figure out how you're going to get sales every day. We got that. It's going to be in person or online. Now, in person, you could do pop-up shops and open up a kiosk. I would recommend, once you have a winning product, to open up a kiosk. Because what you're going to be able to do is be able to see if the market likes this. Now, before you open this kiosk, though, if you haven't done any pop-up shops, I would do pop-up shops first. Get some pop-up shops underneath your belt. Get comfortable with selling. And I would honestly start with that before I even open up a kiosk, because honestly, the kiosk is a very big commitment. But if you really just want to jump all in and commit 10x, I would just do that. Because honestly, you can do short-term leasing, all right? So that's something that I would do. Especially if this is something that you really want to do, it would really push yourself to want to perform. Hey man, part 2 of the video. So yeah, sales in person or online. That's the only 2 options that you got. I prefer to do it online. All right. Now, when you do it online, you got to be having the data. You got to have the data. All right. That's the most important thing. There's only 2 ways you could go about this. You're either going to make money online or you're going to make money in person. I prefer to do it in person and online. In person is the easiest for people who don't have a lot of money to start up with, because all you really need is to have some product on hand and a good smile, and you're going to be able to make money. Now, once you are able to make money with this product in person, that's how you know you have a proven product. And once you have a proven product and you're comfortable and you're confident enough to be able to get sales in public, I can give you a backpack and you could go walk up to a stranger and close them and get them to buy it, and you're that good, then you could start considering, well, all right, let's take this to the next level. I want to start to do this every day. Let's go open up a retail location in the mall. Now, what I would recommend before you do this, though, is I would ask them if they have any, weekend leasing options, some very short-term leasing options. You don't want to sign anything too long in the beginning, because you want to test it out. You don't have a lot of money to play with, and you want to make sure that this is going to make sense for you. All right. Now, once you get in the mall, it's very important that you have a lot of product. All right. Like, especially if you're going to do like a month-long lease, you got to have a lot of product. If you're going to do a weekend, you got to have at least 100 to 200 pieces, all right, bare minimum, to really make it make sense, because at the end of the day, it comes down to how much money do you want to make. If you want to make $10,000, you need $10,000 worth of product. So that comes down to you, how much money are you trying to make at this location, on this weekend, at this month. So that's another thing. That merchandise got to be rolling in hot. All right, if you want to make a lot of money with this business, you got to have a lot of product, man. It costs a lot, but it feels good when you sell it. But you got to put that money up. And that's one thing about this business I can't say. You got to put that bread up if you want to play. You see, I got a whole bunch of hoodies in the back. This is money. But in order to get this, you got to buy this, all right? And in order to buy it, it costs some money. And the more of these hoodies I get, the more money I make. How do I get more of these? I got to pay more money, right? How do we get the money? You got to sell the product, collect the data, remarket. You feel me? So you see how it's a whole circle process. You got to pay the screen printer. You got to pay the team. You got to pay yourself. You got to pay everything else. Everything is circulation, guys. That is the key to this. You got to circulate the money. Don't be scared to circulate the money. Do not be scared to circulate the money. All right? Do not be scared to circulate the money. Example, I sent a lot of money, to one of my good friends, and he was able to give me some great deals on some product. And then with that same product, we were able to flip that to a lot of money. But it only happened because I circulated that money with my friend. He made money, and then he got me product. And then that product made me a lot of money. And then I was able to pay my team a lot of money. And then everyone got paid because I got paid. You see, it's a whole process. It's a circle of life. And that's why I am making this video, because I'm circulating this information with you, because I know someone's going to listen. Someone's going to pay attention. Someone's going to listen to this and run the play, man. And if you're finding value in this, man, drop a like, man. Comment, let me know your favorite part. And, man, I got 5 business principles, all right? This is that free thing I was telling you guys about. So, look, I got 5 business principles that I live by. All right, 5 business principles that have made me a lot of money and that I live by, and I'm giving them to you guys for 100% free. All you have to do is hit the link in the description or hit the link in the comments. Go down and fill out that information. It takes literally no less than 10 seconds, and it's going to send you back my 5 business principles, all right? Now, once you find value out of those 5 business principles, we have other things, all right? I have a new book teaching you how to make your first $10,000 with your new brand. And this is applicable to any product-based business that you guys have. I also have our Tribe of Millionaires. This is daily conversations with high-level entrepreneurs. All right? Quarterly meetups in real life. We also have our one-on-one coaching. We have our mastermind where you can get lifetime access to me. And we also have our course where it's teaching you how to go from $0 to $100,000. And then we also have, I'm teaching you guys how to close a deal. So I actually will teach you guys how to sell, all right? How to close a deal, how to walk up to a stranger and actually get them to buy your brand. I'm teaching you how to do that. It's called The Art of the Close. I have that on there. And then if you guys want a website, you guys looking to get a custom Shopify website, and you want us to take care of the email and the email marketing and the text message marketing, you don't even want to deal with it, I can get that done for you, all right? So we have a lot of resources. I'm here to help you guys. Hit the link in the description. Get those 5 free resources. I appreciate you guys for watching. Have an amazing day. Continue to run it up. Continue to be successful. It's Malik. We are out.